Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious focaccia bread. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups of warm water, and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1/4 cup of olive oil. Also, prepare your favorite toppings like fresh rosemary and flaky sea salt for that perfect finish. Now, let's get our hands into the dough. First, in a large bowl, combine the warm water, yeast, and sugar, letting it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. Then, gradually add the flour, salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough for approximately 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Finally, let it rise in a warm, oiled bowl for 1 to 2 hours, or until doubled in size. After its first rise, it's time to shape our beautiful focaccia. Carefully transfer the dough to a 9 by 13-inch baking pan that has been generously oiled. Now, the fun part. Use your fingertips to gently dimple the dough all over, creating those characteristic pockets. Drizzle 2 more tablespoons of olive oil across the surface. Then, allow the dough to rest for a second rise, which should take about 30 to 45 minutes. The moment we've been waiting for, baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your dimpled focaccia in the hot oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. As soon as it comes out, drizzle it with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Finally, garnish with your chosen fresh herbs and a sprinkle of flaky sea salt for that perfect, irresistible touch. Enjoy your homemade focaccia.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.